Hi all, I'm Vaidehi and today we have Kriti Agarwal from batch 22-24. Hello Kriti, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi Vaidehi, so I am Kriti Agarwal, as she introduced. I am currently placed at Oxane Partners at a senior analyst role. So I am the student here at Jaipur Institute of Management Jaipur, and I have finance and marketing as my major specialization. So yeah.
So Kriti, hearing your journey, it was sure that you are pretty much clear about your goals. So why Jaipuria? What was the reason behind it?
Okay, so there is not just one reason that why I chose Jaipuria. There are multiple reasons. So basically, first reason when you choose an MBA college is that what ROI it can give you, and I think Jaipuria is one of those colleges which gives you a good ROI. So that was one of the major reasons for me to join Jaipuria. Secondly, one of my friends was here in Jaipuria, 1 year senior. So her experience has been pretty amazing because the way she has changed, the difference I could see in her behavior or in her personality, everything has escalated pretty well. So I feel that was again a major reason for me to come to Jaipuria.
Okay, so before moving forward, I would like to congratulate Kriti for being placed at Oxane Partners. So Kriti, please tell something about your job role.
Okay, so I am placed at Oxane Partners. So I'm placed as a senior analyst there. So my company basically focuses or is predominantly about alternative investment area. So we have different clients that specifically have their roles specifics towards the alternative investment niche. So basically, I won't go into much detail, but it is the niche which focuses over the alternative investment. I'm currently dealing in the CLO ecosystem.
Okay, so you explained about your job role. So it seems that the interview process would be a rigorous one.
Absolutely.
So what was that pivotal moment in your interview that at that point you realized that yes, I have got this?
Okay, so basically we had 4 rounds of interview, and in the last round we had 3 people, including me, who got shortlisted for the last round. And the director of the company was taking my interview, and we were on the video call. So he asked me one particular question, that Kriti, who would you want to get selected? So of course anybody would have given the answer that I want to get selected, but at that point in time you need to be little, So I said that Manish, I want all of us to get selected, because of course we've given a good amount of time for it, and we've prepped a lot. So I want all of us to get selected. And he was in joking way, he said that don't give me copy pasted answer, I want your answer, that why should you get selected. So at that point of time, I basically portrayed that how can I help Oxane Partners and how can I be an asset to the company. So I feel that was a turning point in my interview.
So from all the learnings you got from Jaipuria and student life of Jaipuria also, how did that help you get through all of this?
Okay, so I feel that anywhere you go, there are 2 C's that are very important, and one is confidence and the other is communication. And if you are here at Jaipuria gives you a lot of platform where you can enhance your communication. And if you are good at communication, if you are able to speak well, if you are able to communicate your thoughts well, you tend to develop that confidence. And I feel Jaipuria definitely gives you that sort of a platform where you can showcase your talent, where you can portray all those stuffs where your communication gets honed, your confidence gets boosted up. So I think those 2 things Jaipuria has given me, which of course has helped me in my interview and anywhere I now do other things. So yeah.
So listening to your journey, it seems that you really had a fun time in Jaipuria. So what's that one spot you really liked in Jaipuria and you visit frequently, and why?
Okay, so there is no one spot in Jaipuria that one can like. I feel there are many spots that because as and when you enter, you have ducks. So it is a beautiful lush green campus, and you have fountain and everything here. So I feel that is a good spot. You can sit and chill with your friends. You have a big garden where you can sit and chill with your friends. And we used to play during our breaks. I used to play with my friends. We have lounge, we have cafeteria. So I think every other spot in Jaipuria has some meaning to it to me, because the conference room we had, the teacher cabins that we have, and the classrooms again. So I feel every other corner has some memory to me. So I think not just one, many are there. So yeah.
So at the end, that one message you would like to give to our upcoming students and the students who are prepping up for their summer internships.
Okay, so I feel that the person should be confident while they speak. They should not bluff. If they don't know anything, please don't bluff, because the person sitting in front of you has a good knowledge, better than you, I feel. So yeah, I think confidence and don't bluff are the major thing, and try to be updated with everything and anything that is going around you before going for an interview, because that is going to help you a lot. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kriti. We are very pleased to have you here.
Thank you so much. It was a wonderful interview. Thank you.